Now to finance with Michelle Rafferty. And Michelle, how did the market finish the week?
Kim, it did finish the day down after being dragged lower throughout the session by a range of sectors. The All Ordinaries finished the day down, as did the ASX. Energy stocks led the falls, followed by banking, healthcare and retail. Mining stocks rallied on signs of strength in the Chinese economy. BHP Billiton finished the day up 1.8%. Fortescue Metals has surged by 5.5%. In the US, the Dow Jones has added 28 points to 15,498, and the S&P 500 has ended the session 4.4% higher to 1,697. The Nasdaq has gained 15 points to 3,669. And the Australian dollar is relatively steady. A short time ago, it was buying just over that 91 US cents mark against the greenback. The Reserve Bank has signalled the mining investment boom is over and spending in the sector will drop off much faster than expected. The RBA has cut its forecast for economic growth this year to a weak 2.25%, well below average growth, and unemployment is expected to rise throughout the next year. The ANZ says the central bank appears surprised that many interest rate cuts since late 2011 have failed to lift the broader economy. Meanwhile, the ANZ is the last of the four major banks to announce an interest rate cut. It'll cut rates on its variable mortgages by 25 basis points, effective from next Friday, the 16th of August. It'll take the bank's standard variable rate to 5.88%. Official figures show China's factory output was much stronger than expected in July, raising hopes that the slowdown for Australia's biggest trading partner is easing. The National Bureau of Statistics figures showed industrial production rose by 9.7% year on year, but retail sales were weaker than expected. Other figures out today showed China's inflation was slightly weaker than expected, holding steady at 2.7% year on year for July. Tom Waterhouse has announced he sold his online business, TomWaterhouse.com, to UK giant bookmaker William Hill for $34 million. The deal could end up a sweetener for Waterhouse, with a potential payout of up to $70 million if the site performs well up until the end of 2015. Waterhouse will remain as managing director and also become part of the William Hill Australia's management team. William Hill acquired Sportingbet Australia this year for $660 million. The gaming group Tabcorp has reported a sharp dive in its full-year profit. For the 12 months till the end of June, Tabcorp has made an after-tax profit of $126.6 million. That's down 63% from the year before. Tabcorp says the result was affected by costs linked to the restructuring of the gambling industry in Victoria. And Kim, that's the latest from the finance desk.
Thanks very much, Michelle.